In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your wallpaper on PC. So the first thing you want to do is go down here to search or to start menu and then click on it and look for settings and open them. And once your settings open up, you want to go to the left and click on personalization. When you click this, you want to go to background, which is where we can change the wallpaper of our PC. Now in here you can personalize your background. What you can do is have a solid picture like I have over here, and you can also browse your photos on your computer and select a solid picture. You can also have a solid color, so if you want your background to only be one color, this is what you have to click. You can have a slideshow where you can then select different images you would like your computer to slideshow and to change in between. Or you can have Windows Spotlight, which is basically what's usually the default setting and will play you different images from the Windows official library, and it will change your background every so often. So that's exactly how you change wallpaper on your PC.